how do they feel? That's a weird question, right? But it's something you should ask yourself every time you get in contact with somebody. How do they feel? This is actually called empathy. It's your feelings understanding their feelings. Anybody you are in contact with, you communicate with, you're discussing anything with, the reality is if you don't understand how somebody else's feelings are, you can't care about their feelings, and you're not going into this situation with the best intent for them in mind. Remember, relationships are 100-0. You're giving into the relationship. So think about it. How empathetic are you? And how do they feel right now to dictate how you're going to help them? That's your quick win for the day.
If you've enjoyed this content, head over to iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to Start With a Win. We release new episodes every single Wednesday and quick wins every other Friday. Remember, stay awesome, and we'll see you next week.